على بدء اتحاد الطيران النقل الوطني لدولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. Good morning and welcome to Abu Dhabi. The local time here is 7:46 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has stopped completely and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area at the airport. Handheld electronics may now be switched on. Thank you for choosing to fly with Etihad Airways, the national airline of the UAE. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Thank you.